Brussels, the land of waffles, chocolates, and boredom? Wait, hold up. How did Brussels make the list of the most boring cities in the world? Well, stick around, because today we're unpacking the mystery behind this controversial title. I am Shalom, your tour guide. Let's dive in. Brussels often gets labeled as a boring city because, let's face it, it's not exactly the life of the European party. Unlike Paris, Amsterdam, or Barcelona, Brussels isn't plastered all over Instagram with neon lights, beach parties, or jaw-dropping skylines. But hey, where else can you find an exciting variety of meetings? That's right, Brussels is the political heart of Europe, home to the European Union headquarters. So, unless you're a fan of policy debates or long-winded discussions on trade agreements, it can seem a little stiff. And then there's this little guy, Mannequin Piss, the statue of a boy while doing his business. Sure, it's a famous landmark, but blink, and you might miss it. Some tourists leave wondering, is that it? But let's not write off Brussels just yet. How can a city that's literally drowning in world-class chocolates, creamy waffles, and over 1,500 types of beer really be boring? Here's the thing about Brussels. It's not boring, it's just subtle. It's like that quiet kid in school who doesn't speak much but secretly has the coolest collection of comics at home. Brussels has a charm that grows on you if you give it a chance. Take the Grand Place, for instance. This square is like a fairy tale come to life. It's so beautiful that it's been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1998. Definitely not boring, right? And let's talk about beer. Brussels is home to some of the best breweries in the world. Whether it's a fruity lambic or a strong Trappist ale, beer lovers can have their own little heaven here. And did you know Brussels has an incredible street art scene? You'll find murals dedicated to Tintin and other Belgian comics all around the city. It's like a scavenger hunt for art lovers. So is Brussels really the most boring city in the world? Or is it simply misunderstood? Maybe it's not boring. It's just a city that takes its time to reveal its hidden gems. And honestly, sometimes slow and steady wins the race. Let us know in the comments. Do you think Brussels deserves this boring title? Or is it time to give this underdog city some love? And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and join us next time as we explore more travel myths and mysteries.